Hello Dolphins and Otters, I'm going to give you a quick rundown of how to do the MAP testing with your students. And I have a side-by-side teacher computer and student computer so I can show you what it's going to look like from both ends. First, you can log in two ways, either at startmapnwea.org or you can go in through Clever. Just look for this icon. When you log in, it looks like this, and you're going to select MAP Growth and Manage Test Sessions. Then you're going to click Test My Class, and it's going to show you your whole schedule. So if you teach like a homeroom where all of these classes are the same students, I'm just going to select one of them, and I can test now. Now, if you teach multiple sections, you can select multiple classes at once and push it out to all of your students at the same time, and then just leave that testing session open for the day and test them as they come in. Now, from here, it's pretty much plug and play, put the students on and let them generate the data for you. The one thing you have to do by hand as a teacher is make sure that you have your accommodations put in. So once your test session is created, you're going to select any student that needs an accommodation. Let's say little George gets an accommodation. I'm going to check his name here and assign test accommodations and put in whatever IEP or LEP accommodations they are legally required to receive for a math assessment. And click Assign. Now your students are ready to take the test. Have your students grab their Chromebooks, but do not have them sign in. Instead of signing in here, you're gonna have them come right down here to this teeny tiny little menu you may not have noticed before and click Apps, and you will see the NWEA Secure Testing app here. Have them click that, and they'll get to a different type of login screen. The student login screen looks like this, while your screen for the session you just started looks like this, and I can see the session name and password here. Now, all students are going to put in the same test session name and password to initially get into the test. If you use the Test Now option, it's just going to give you a random session name with a word and a number and a password. You're going to give that to the students, and they're going to enter it to get them into the session. It's going to give them a drop-down menu that shows their class, and they're going to choose their name from the class list and then select the test. Now, this is a kindergarten student, so this is where you might want to have another adult in the room. You're gonna have to scroll through this list of tests, and he's gonna be taking the Math K-2 VEA 23-24. From here, wait for students to finish the test, and it will provide you with the data. Now, if you let your ITC know ahead of time what day and time you're testing, we can be sure to be in your building and be around to help. Make sure students select the right test and help you to reset any tests or pause any tests or any unusual situations that might arise like that.